Welcome to new credits. Evil Grape. He's an evil grape. Hey, hit our grape. What? Knife. Huh? Oh no. Ow. Oh, that didn't even hurt. No, no, no. Ow. Ah. It's gonna leave a mark. Ow. I'm an evil grape. That's why they call me evil grape. Guess I'm an evil grape. Yeah. He's evil grape. He's evil grape. He's evil grape. But one day, another grape came down to say something to the evil grape. Hey, evil grape, what? What is it? Knife, huh? No, wait, that's not supposed to work. No, just stop. Oh, that's part of my body. No, stop. Oh, no. Stop. Stop doing that, man. That really hurts. Oh, that's so gross, man. Dude, really? I mean, really? Okay, that's it. Seriously. Okay, really? Evil grape? Okay. Alright. Is there one more? Ooh, you can't find it. Yes, I did. No, that's coming out of my brain really good. No, not the knife. Not the knife. Oh, no. Good grape wins. Good grape wins. Good grape wins. Yay! To be continued. And their grape's evil grape's dead. There's gonna be another one. Okay. Bye. Bye. I can't turn off the camera. I'll ask the grape to help. Grape! Yes? Okay, come here and turn off the camera for me. Okay. Bye. Bye as well. Bye.